Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with spacebar and enter keys are not working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type control panel. Open it. Select view by to category and select the EC of access and select EC of access center. You just need to scroll down guys. Make the keyboard easier to use. Select it and make sure you just turn off this sticky keys, and you just need to uncheck the box over here guys. You just need to, if the computer has sticky keys check mark over here, you just need to uncheck it. And if you have turn on filter keys, you just want to uncheck this guys as well. Turn on filter keys as well, you just need to uncheck it and select apply and OK. After doing it, close out of here. If you still having a problem, go to search menu and type device manager. Open it. Select the keyboard section and expand it. Select your keyboard and right click on it. Select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers for your device are already installed. Select the search for updated drivers on Windows Update. If anything listed over here guys, update and install, you just want to install it, the latest update, Windows Update, and you just need to click on advanced option and scroll down guys. Additional options, you just need to select the optional updates. Select it, and if anything listed over here guys, you just need to expand it and select it and install it, download and install it guys. You just want to download and install the optional update. In here, advanced option and optional updates, if anything listed over here, you just need to download and install it. Okay, after doing it, go to Windows Update. That will be installing for you guys in update availables in Windows. And after finishing this, you should good to go guys. Your problem has been resolved at this point. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.